I'm happy that you are part of this wonderful training class. For those of us that have been with me since the beginning of this training and up to now, I want to say congratulations. However, I need to draw your attention to some points that will make you to retain this knowledge and for you to have a good understanding of what you have learned so far. I want you to know that all what you have learned in this Excel training class, please try as much as possible to put it into practice. I mean every day. Let it be part of you. For those of us that we are working, maybe as a storekeeper or as a secretary or as a receptionist, try as much as possible to make all this work, to put all your knowledge into practical. And don't forget that when you want to take a stock, you should not give yourself problem. You have learned so many things on this package that we have just taught, which is the Microsoft Excel. And to also draw your attention that you should always remember your Excel is also useful if you want to prepare your staff payment roll. That means to get them the salary every month, and also to remind you if you want to keep your student report sheet to quickly have a quick glance, as in to calculate all the scores and get the grade and the percentage. The best place to go is to Microsoft Excel. And for those of us that we have some boss that we have to report to, and you need to get all the details of your staff, maybe their profile, and to include their salary, to include the money they borrow, Excel is the best place for you to also go to. By the time you put all this into practice, I believe all what you have learned within a short time, you will become a professional in all what you are doing. And a quick one to also tell you that don't forget that we can create our charts on Excel as we have taught us in the class, and to protect our worksheets from unauthorized usage. And also don't forget the last topic we treated, which is the Power Query. If you have typed anything from previous application, especially from MS Access or Notepad, and you want to import it directly to your data and to your worksheet, just go through your data and try to import, and you will see the magic this Excel will be calculating. So I want to advise us that every time we should find time to practice and to put all what we have learned into practice, so it does not slip off our memory.